Hey everybody, we're testing out a unit here that was in Comm Loss, and one of the first things you want to do when you have one in Comm Loss is see if you've got 24 volts. Now, we've already kind of been here. When we put the leads on the 24 volts, did you hear that clicking? That clicking. All right, that's good. If you hear that clicking noise, what that means is this terminal strip right here has broke loose from the solder joints on the back side. A lot of times you can take this terminal strip and wiggle it, and you will hear it doing its clicking like you were hearing it just a second ago. And you can see it's, so what we're going to do is show you how to fix that. Alright, we're back. Now what I did, we've already taken the whole thing apart, and what we've got is where this metal stood. Let's see if I can get it to focus. Where this metal stood right here comes through, the solder joint all the way around it has broken loose. Now it's hard to see in this video, so what I did was I took a picture of it, and I'm going to see if this works. Now in the zoomed up picture, you can see the hairline crack all the way around. So what we're going to do is resolder. So I'm going to pass off the camera, and you should be able to, you can see everything starting to heat up. Okay. I think you'll get the gist of it now. This one right here is also broken, so we're going to go ahead and do this one at the same time. And this here will stop your Comm Loss, and you don't have to change out the board. And with these boards getting older and hard to get, the repair may need to be the option. So good luck out there and stay safe. Take care.